I'm gonna show you how I edit my gameplay using Inshot for free. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? Sharc Gaming here. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like. And in today's video, I already told you I'm gonna show you guys how to use Inshot. So all you need is a device. I use an iOS device, so that's an Apple device. So I'm gonna show you guys from an Apple perspective. So what I want you guys to do is go into the app, the Inshot app. So you press the Inshot app, right? So you press video. This is obviously, so first you just find a clip that you want to edit, as simple as that. So you have a clip. A simple secret for you guys that most of you guys actually don't know is that you see that little Inshot watermark over there, you can actually get rid of it. Obviously you can't get rid of it permanently, but for this video that you're editing right now, you can get rid of it. So what you do, you click it, you press X, you press remove this once for free, and bam, it's gone. Usually you watch a video and it's gone. What you guys need to understand is that this can be removed for every single time that you use it. So every single time that you click and you start a new video, all you have to do is press remove this once and it will remove it. That is a simple trick how to get rid of the watermark, because with the watermark it doesn't look as professional, and you guys want it to look professional. You know, you want your videos to look professional. So basically, you know, as a gamer, basically you have to cut out all of the boring parts, so you know you can get a higher watch, or you know, watch time or viewer retention or whatever. So if you guys have just the boring gameplay right there, then you know nobody's going to stay there to watch it unless, you know, it's a loyal fan. And not everybody's a loyal fan. What if it's a new person? If it's a new person, you want them to stay on the channel. So what you do now is that you use right here to trim it down to the interesting parts. So what you usually do is after you score a goal, instead of going through the entire process of like the black screen going to the next phase of the game, like going back to kickoff, yeah, what you do, you cut that off. So what you do is that after a goal is scored or a shot is taken, you can cut. You see right here, you can, so how to cut it, basically you press split and you press delete. So now you only have this clip, you play it out. This is it, as simple as that. Just a little shot. This is just a simple example, of course. Yeah, so that's that. If you guys want to add, let's say for instance, there's different, you have different features to this. So basically you have the ratio and stuff. You guys can do it based on what type of videos you want to do. Obviously I'm trying to do a YouTube video, so I do the 16:9 ratio, and you can zoom in if you want and stuff. I obviously don't want to zoom in. You guys want to cover the entire thing. Maybe you want to zoom out so you can put like a nice background right there, but yeah, I don't do that. Put it back to what it was before. You can add background by zooming out and then, you know, adding a photo, you know, a regular photo, and you get like a background. It's as simple as that. Like bam, you know, or you can even use a color, you can use like a little design. Yeah, I'm not really about that life, so I go back to my regular stuff. Music now, you can add music and sound effects, and you can actually record what's what I'm looking for, commentary with it. So what you can do is that with the tracks, obviously you have featured music that is on this app. I don't recommend you guys using it. I recommend you guys going on no copyright sound on YouTube and downloading the music from there, because they're actually non-copyrighted music. So I guess you guys should use that. You guys can also use your own music that is inside of your music app. And then you have sound effects, these nice little sound effects. You guys can use transition sounds, you know, transition sound, different transition sounds. You can use popular noises that people like to use. Simple one too. You guys can fill that in. This isn't some sort of detailed video on how to edit perfect or whatever. You guys fool around with it and figure it out for yourselves. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys like a brief overview as to the features that this app can actually do, because most of you guys don't know about it. And how to basically record your commentary. You know, you just press record and then it will go 3, 2, 1 and it will start recording like that. But obviously I don't want to record right now because I don't want you know, and you guys can stop it. You guys can clip out that little part to ensure that everything is right or not right, and take out what you need to take out and stuff, and you can still add a layer of music on top of it and stuff. So it all depends. Just press, you know, you guys can add stickers. These stickers aren't really the fanciest, but obviously some of the features are more for like you have to pay for them. But as it relates to freeness, I don't really use the stickers right there, but it all depends on what you guys want. You guys can add text and stuff, you know, like if you want to add a good goal, you know, I already have a certain style or text that I use, so I just use that. But you guys can change up the color and stuff to whatever you want. Anything that you want. You can, you know, shadow, you can add a shadow to it and stuff. You can make it look nice, you know. You can add a border to it as well. Yeah, it all depends on what you guys want. It all depends. You guys decide what you guys want. You can even make it opaque, you know. You guys decide what you want to do. Yeah, that's just, you can even add a little label to it. That's just as simple as that. I don't want that, so I'm going to exit off. X off this. I don't like that. I don't use it. But yes, you have different filters as well. You guys can check that out as well. As I said, still, you can adjust the volume. Like you can reduce the volume of the gameplay. That way you can hear yourself more when you're doing the commentary. So you're doing the voiceovers. Yeah, you can hear. You can bring that down a bit. You can also duplicate the slides too, or duplicate the clips. When you duplicate the clips, what actually happens is that you know, you can also, like, say for instance you scored a really good goal right here, you could do it in slow motion right here. So what you could do is go to speed and just reduce it a bit, and then it will move slower than it was before. Obviously it will be at longer, so it will move like this, but that's not the clip that obviously you'd want to slow mo, because that'd be boring. But yeah, that's just that. Let me just duplicate this one more time to show you guys that you have different transitions that you can use. So you can use this simple, you can use the slide right, you can use slide left, you can use the circular one. All of these are the free features that you can use. It's as simple as that. You guys just explore which one you like. Then you have these that you have to pay for and stuff, but if you feel so inclined, you can pay for it. The downside to Inshot, no, the problem with Inshot is that Inshot actually doesn't have certain features. Like you can't introduce a face cam into it. That's a problem. Like, you know, obviously, like you can't do a picture in picture or a layer of like a face cam inside of it. That's a problem. But it's a free app. It's limited. If you want to do a face cam, you have to use KineMaster or iMovie, especially for iOS users. I could do a video on that for you guys as well if you want, but that's basically how I do my face cams, like what you're probably seeing right now actually. But yeah, so in short, it has a lot of features, but there are a lot of things that you still can't do with it. But for a starter YouTuber, this is very good for you guys. So, you know, and you guys can go through the other like parts of it, because the thing is, I do not know all the features of this app, so there could be some hidden features that are good, but at least I showed you guys how to get rid of the watermark. I just use it to basically clip my images so that I can get them smaller, because my gameplays are like, let's say 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 14 minutes, so you know that's like a gig or so, 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabyte worth of data, but I'm not going to use all of that in my videos. So I crop it down, cut it down, and then I add it to my entire video, add some music to it, and bam, that's what I used to do it. Put a little voiceover and that's it. As simple as that. Well, now I introduce facecam and stuff, so I don't use this app as much as I used to, but I still use it because it still serves purpose. So I hope that this video was very informative for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you found this video helpful in any way possible, don't forget to drop a like down. I hope that you can use this to, you know, power your channel and make videos. Don't really worry about your edits right now, because it will improve as long as you keep practicing. So, you know, that's it for today. If you feel so inclined to subscribe, then subscribe. I'm out.